Well, the continuing legal saga for Philadelphia rapper Meek Mill took another turn today. The district attorney of Philadelphia called for a new trial for him this morning. And Action News reporter Sarah Bloomquist is live in front of the Criminal Justice Center with more on that. Sarah.
Rick, that's right. Today, DA Larry Krasner's office recommended that the gun and drug convictions against rapper Meek Mill be thrown out and that he should be granted a new trial. For those who gathered for a rally here today demanding his immediate release, this was a step in the right direction. They want much more.
On a rain-soaked Monday morning, a group gathered outside the Criminal Justice Center to demand justice for rapper Meek Mill.
What do we want? Justice. What do we want? Justice.
Inside the courthouse, attorneys for Mill, whose real name is Robert Raimique Williams, were asking for his immediate release. Mill, who was born in Philadelphia, was sentenced in November to 2 to 4 years in prison for violating probation on a roughly decade-old gun and drug case.
Well, just because you commit a crime doesn't mean that you should be incarcerated forever. Meek Mill committed a crime when he was 19 years old. He's been on probation his entire adult life.
Judge Denise Brinkley refused to free Mill today, but the hearing wasn't without news, as the DA's office announced it supports a new trial due to questions about the credibility of the arresting officer.
It's a big day for Meek, and I'm certainly excited for him to see the DA do the right thing and fix such a giant wrong.
Mill's 6-year-old son and mother were on hand to hear the news from the DA's office. Mill's attorney said they'll now ask a higher court for a new trial and the rapper's release.
Once a district attorney agrees to a new trial, there's nothing else to think about. This judge shouldn't schedule a date 60 days out or 90 days out. This judge should answer this right now. Grant him a new trial, release him, and let's deal with it.
The DA says dozens of other convictions are called into question because of the credibility of this one police officer. Mill's attorneys have harshly criticized Judge Brinkley. She says Mill's claims are not credible and that this is an attempt to shop for a different judge. She's set a date for another hearing 60 days from today. Live in Center City, I'm Sarah Bloomquist, Channel 6 Action News.